FFCCII.
Alam niyo po si Jose Marichan, graduate ng Ateneo. Mas matanda lang sa akin ng a few years, okay? We're both serving in the Ateneo Scholarship Foundation. Hello. Hello. Wala.
Tabi ako po yun.
Hello. Kasama kami sa Ateneo Scholarship Board. Tumutulong kami para mag-provide ng scholarship. Marami pong gusto mag-aral ng, sa Ateneo, kaya alam, mahal ang tuition. So, 20% already, 21% of our populations are now part of this scholarship program of the Ateneo University. We've been serving there for decades, many years. So, sama-sama kami. On top of that, I know Jose Marichan is a very good singer, di ba? Pero mayaman po si Jose Marichan. Kasi yung tatay niya is in the sugar business for so many years. They made so much money. And they also gave so much to the different programs of the government. Kasama doon yung eskwelahan. They also give to eskwelahan to build classrooms. Kami po ay engaged in classroom building for the last 35 or 40 years. We built 6,500 classrooms as of now sa mga tawag namin barrio school. Daming barrio na nangangailangan ng eskwelahan, wala silang classrooms. Kami ang pumapasok at tumutulong yan. So that is one of the projects we do. On top of that, we also do the volunteer fire brigade. Alam niyo yung mga fire brigade natin ngayon, marami ng fire trucks na volunteer. Pag may sunog, laging nauuna sila. Sino taga-Tondo kanina sinabi? Siguro napanood nyo na maraming fire trucks galing sa volunteer fire brigades, ano? Nauuna sila. Bakit po? Sila po yung mga volunteers. That's part of our program. Also started way back in the 60s. And third, very important project is what we call medical outreach. Every week, lumalabas kami sa community. May team kami going out to provide assistance sa medicines. Marami po mga Pilipino nahihirapan, pati yung medicines, common medicines they cannot afford. So we go out of our way, we bring tons and tons of medicine throughout the year to help our Filipino brothers and sisters in the community. On top of that, during typhoon, lagi kami na nasa harap. We just put together a fund worth about 60 to 65 million to buy rice. So katakot-takot na rice ang binibigay namin. Lalo na nakaraan ng mga bagyo. Nandun din kami sa far-flung areas, kasama din ng Pampanga, Tarlac, Catanduanes, pinuntahan din namin, Bicol, tinamaan ng typhoon. Anywhere in the country, pag may
involved po dyan si Jose Marichan?
Hindi po.
Okay.
He's part of our program, okay? He's more of a singer.
So nagbibigay ng entertainment.
Entertainment.
Mga napupuntahan nyo.
Kasi kilala siya di ba? Kilala siya sa
Lalo
community.
na ngayong Pasko.
Lalo na yung Pasko. At saka maganda yung boses niya. So we decided to invite him to be part of this program of informing the community about the things we have been doing.
Last na lang, sir. Nakita ko namin kung gaano support ang binigay niyo kay EJ Obiena noon. I think hanggang ngayon pa rin sumusuporta ang FFCCCII. Di po ba? Nandun din ba, susuportahan din po ba ninyo, of course, ang ating two-time gold medalist na si Carlos Yulo? Nandun din ba yung suporta ninyo?
Ang dami po sumusuporta on a personal basis kay Carlos Yulo.
Kay Carlos. So,
Federation, hindi naman directly involved.
Si EJ lang po?
Si EJ, yung personal involved. Because he is also Filipino-Chinese. Tumulong kami to a fellow Filipino-Chinese. But I also believe I'm supporting the swimming team. Kaya lang hindi tayo kasing lakas ng mga neighbors natin sa swimming. I so believe that one day we will produce hopefully an Olympic medal winner in swimming. So that's my dream, personal dream ko yan. So pati yung diving, magaling tayo mag-dive pag lumalabas kayo sa mga tumatalon sa barko, gagaling mag-dive Pero walang support Kailangan
Sino
bigyan
ang
sila ng
particular athlete na sinusuportahan nyo doon?
support. Sa Ateneo.
Sa swimming. Mga Ateneo.
So we just won the UAP swimming team, swimming competition for 9 years.
Consecutive.
Sunod-sunod every year. This time, magsa-celebrate na naman kami December for another golden production or golden medal. We won the UAAP swimming team competition.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gordy.